So let's figure out how many tablespoons are in 1/4 cup and then how many teaspoons are in 1/4 cup. So first off, to get from tablespoons to cups, how many tablespoons are in a cup, you do need to remember that there are 16 tablespoons in 1 cup. So if I have a 1/4 cup, I'm going to take 1/4 of 16. And you might know that that's 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. You could also work the math out. You could take 16 times 1/4, and so you take 16 times 1, that's 16 over 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So there are 4 tablespoons in 1 cup. So let's take 4 tablespoons and convert that to teaspoons, which is a bit easier. So to go from tablespoons to teaspoons, we're just going to multiply by 3. 1 big T, that's our tablespoon, equals teaspoons 3. So we're just going to take 4 times 3. 4 times 3, that's 12. And what that means, that there are 12 of these teaspoons in 4 tablespoons. And since 4 tablespoons is equal to 1/4 cup, we have 12 teaspoons in 1/4 cup. So that's the way I do it, just by remembering 16 teaspoons in a cup and that 1 big T equals teaspoons 3. I can usually do this in my head. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.